Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to open a Venmo account in 2025. If you never used Venmo before, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to set it up, verify it, and get ready to send or receive money in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play, or go to the Venmo website. Once you tap Sign Up. You can choose to create your account with your email address or phone number, then set a password. Next, Venmo will send you a verification code. Enter it to confirm your account. And that, fill in your first and last name and create a unique username that friends can find easily. Then link your bank account, debit card, or credit card so you can add or withdraw money. Once that's set, you can customize your profile photo and privacy settings, like who can see your transactions. Now, your account is ready. You can start sending or receiving payments instantly. And that's how you open a Venmo account in 2025. Quick, easy, and perfect for paying friends or splitting bills. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more beginner tutorials. See you in the next one.